Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ubuchule Bezandla. So today this is what I want to show you, a Zulu neck piece. I started it yesterday, so it took me about 2 days to finish. If you are making this neck piece, you need to pay attention to details, because if you ignore mistakes, it won't come out like this. You have to fix every mistake that you see. It takes time, so you have to focus. Ne? So siyibiza ngoba sisiyaca esi, sisiyaca, and ii-colors xa ngaba i-neck piece siye safaka different colors and bright colors like this, it is no longer a Xhosa neck piece, it is Zulu neck piece xa seyinjena. KwisiXhosa asinayo i-neck piece enjena, this is Zulu. So ii-clients zam, when my client seyifikiswa, we need Zulu neck pieces. We need Zulu neck pieces. This is what I think about these colors, ne? But xa sisenza i-neck pieces zesiXhosa, we don't add many colors. We take few colors like blue, white, royal blue, and orange. Ne? So this is Zulu and it's nice. I love it. And guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I noticed that I have like 57 subscribers already. Thank you so much for liking my videos. I'll come back to share another video with you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.